little duck went waddling by, with feathers shining in the sky. It quacked so loud it was a sound that echoed softly all around. The duck found a pond so big and wide. It flapped its wings and jumped inside. It splashed and splashed, feeling so free, swimming around happily. The little duck met a friend so bright, a bunny hopping left and right. They danced together in the sun, laughing and playing, oh what fun. The duck took a nap by the tree, dreaming of fish, swimming in the sea. It woke up soon with a big stretch, ready for fun, no need to fetch. That duck went to the farm for a snack, pecking at the ground then looking back. It found some corn and gave a quack. Yum, yum, it said with a little clack. As the sun set low in the sky, the little duck gave one last cry. Good night world, I've had my fun. Now it's time to rest till the day's undone. Then